Throughout the years, I've been building a lot of different camera equipment, like a camera jib or a 35mm adapter, or a camera dolly, like this one with skateboard wheels running on these pipes. And I guess we all did this back in the day, trying to, save a buck. But lately, I've been looking into building another camera dolly that I can use indoors, that is portable, and quite compact in conjunction with a tripod. So here's how I imagine this dolly to look like. If we have one wheel here, another one here, another one here. And as you can see, I am not spacing these wheels out considerably. I'm keeping it pretty close by. The platform I want to use with this dolly should be looking something like this, where I have these sections that protrude here in the middle and at the edges. And why do I want to do something like that? It's because if we place our tripod in the middle like this, I want one leg to reach over here, I want another one going over here, and the third one over here. And also I can flip it so I can use this side as well, with these two here and this one here. So this is my idea for a portable, compact, indoor camera dolly that goes just straight ahead. And maybe we can put in a handle here so you can grab it. We can put in two handles maybe, something like this. So I really want this to be compact, lightweight, something super simple. I can just put my tripod on and get some kind of a motion back and forth. So I scoured Amazon and found these wheels. This is wheels that are supposed to be used with, electronic scooter bikes. So I bought 4 of these and the quality is quite good. I found another couple of wheels that were meant to be used with wheelchairs, but I had quality issues because the bearings on those wheels were all wobbly. I mean, they were inserted into this material at an angle, so whenever you spun the wheel you could see that it wobbled. But these wheels are quite good. They don't wobble, and they are just seem like they're of a better quality. As you can see, this wheel doesn't wobble at all, so I believe they will be perfect for the task. So how do I mount these wheels to this platform I'm supposed to build? And I came up with a simple mount here. It's a 3D printed mount where I am going to attach this part, this side, like this, and then a bolt through here, and then on top of this little shelf here, I can mount my platform. So I printed 4 of these, so each wheel has this custom-made mount. So this is a short video. I'm just showing you the first step towards making this simple indoor do-it-yourself camera tripod dolly. And if you want to see the next part, make sure to stick around. I will see you in the next one. Bye!